The sun shines brightly, with few or no clouds blocking its rays.
Rainy. Water is falling from the sky as rain. Cloudy. The sky is significantly covered by clouds blocking direct sunlight. Windy. Generally defined as sustained wind speeds between 20 to 30 miles per hour. Stormy. There is heavy rain, strong wind, and sometimes thunder. Foggy. Thick mist is in the air and it is hard to see far. Snowy. A snowy day is a day when a lot of snow has fallen. Hazy. The air looks smoky or dusty and the sky is not clear. Hot. The weather feels very warm and makes you sweat. Cold. The weather feels cool or freezing and you need warm clothes. Drizzly. Light rain falling slowly, making the air a little wet. Overcast. The sky is fully covered with clouds, so it looks gray. Blustery. Strong wind is blowing, making the weather feel wild. Freezing. The weather is extremely cold and can make things turn to ice. Thunderstorm. Heavy rain with loud thunder and strong wind. Lightning. Bright flashes of light in the sky during a storm. Sleet. Small pieces of ice mixed with rain falling from the sky. Hail. Small hard ice balls falling from the sky during a storm. Misty. The air looks unclear because tiny water drops are close to the ground. Clear. The sky is empty of clouds and everything looks bright. Chilly. The weather feels cold but not freezing. Muggy. The air feels very hot and wet, making you feel sticky. Breezy. A gentle wind is blowing, not too strong. Scorching. Extremely hot weather that feels very intense. Showery. Rain falls in short bursts, stopping and starting. Gloomy. The sky looks dark and dull with low clouds. Humidity. The air feels hot and sticky, making it uncomfortable. Frosty. The weather feels cold with a thin layer of ice on surfaces. Dusty. The air is full of dust, making it hard to see clearly. Smoggy. The air looks dirty and thick because of smoke and pollution. Sultry. The weather feels hot and heavy, often before rain. Gusty. Strong bursts of wind come and go. Squally. Sudden strong wind with quick rain showers. Monsoonal. Long-lasting rainy weather common in some seasons. Arid. The air is very dry with little or no rain. Torrid. The weather feels extremely hot and uncomfortable. Oppressive. The air feels heavy and uncomfortable, making it hard to relax. Dry spell. There is no rain for many days and the ground becomes dry. Shadowy. The weather feels dark with little sunlight. Breeze. A gentle wind, often nice or refreshing.